If care is not taken, he's going to end up in prison yard. You know, those people that used to come to him, they are eating his money. He says Jagaban of Hausa land. Those who are taking care of goat and cow, they are Jagaban. Who is Jagaban? So you have to rethink and make up his footsteps so that he cannot sleep and die. Because this is how I told Abiola. This is how I told him. I went to Abiola office personally. Baba God has done great thing for you. You have money, you have everything. Why do you want to become the head of state? He said, "My worry. When all these Babalawo are hungry, that's why they are going out about." He gave me 25,000. I said, "Baba me, thank you very much. God will be with you." How does he end? He did not end well. He died. So that's what is going to happen to Tinubu now. If Tinubu doesn't take care, he will die like a goat.